Registration and inspection of foreign food manufacturing facilities. Registration of foreign food manufacturing facilities. Foreign food manufacturing facilities falling under such categories and desirous to export such article of food to India shall register with the Food Authority before exporting to India. Foreign food manufacturing facility either directly or through authorized representative may apply for registration as per the regulation along with documents and fee as specified by the Food Authority. Processing of application for registration. Upon scrutiny of the application, if Food Authority requires any additional information with respect to an application or if the application is incomplete, the Food Authority shall advise the applicant to furnish such additional information or complete the application within stipulated time. On receipt of a complete application including the additional information if asked for, the Food Authority may process the application for inspection, if required, or issuance of registration or rejection of the application. Inspection of foreign food manufacturing facilities. Foreign food manufacturing facility may be inspected, if required, in a manner as specified by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Foreign food manufacturing facility may also be inspected after the issuance of registration, as deemed necessary. Officials from FSSAI and relevant ministry or organization or department or recognized auditing agency shall be nominated by the Food Authority for the purpose of inspection of foreign food manufacturing facilities. Issuance of registration. Foreign food manufacturing facility found to be in compliance of Food Safety and Standards Act, rules and regulation made thereunder shall be registered as foreign food manufacturing facilities for a period of 2 years and their registration number shall be communicated. Foreign food manufacturing facility found not to be in compliance of Food Safety and Standards Act, rules and regulation made thereunder, the application made for registration shall be rejected. Foreign food manufacturing facility whose application is rejected after taking remedial action may apply for recognition again. Renewal of registration of foreign food manufacturing facility shall be made online, not later than 30 days prior to the expiry date indicated in the registration. Suspension or cancellation of registration. If foreign food manufacturing facility or their food products intended for export to India are found not to be in compliance of Food Safety and Standards Act, rules and regulation made thereunder, their registration as foreign food manufacturing facilities shall be suspended or cancelled. However, Food Authority may review the same after giving opportunity for hearing or clarification as deemed fit.
To learn more, download the app. Follow us on